Hello students, today I am going to discuss a topic that is subtilisin. Subtilisin, it is a proteolytic enzyme that contain a serine at its active site. So it is also known as serine protease enzyme. So this serine protease enzyme we get from a bacteria that is known as Bacillus licheniformis. This bacteria is generally present in soil. Now, if you see the 3D structure or model of subtilisin enzyme, the catalytic site that contain a serine at position 221 and histidine at position 200 64 from amino terminal of polypeptide chain and aspartic acid at position 32. Here we can also observe the methionine near adjacent to active site of that subtilisin enzyme. So the substitution of the 3 amino acid by any one amino acid, it destabilize or alter the function of subtilisin, that is cleaning action property. The most potent methionine at position 222 that cause decrease the efficiency of cleaning action property of enzyme subtilisin, because due to oxidation of methionine due to bleaching action, that 90% cleaning action property of subtilisin is going to loss. So scientist has thought that there should be need of improvement in the bacterial strain of bacteria Bacillus licheniformis. So there is a one molecular technique, that is a site directed mutagenesis. If we see a molecular technique, a site directed mutagenesis, in this technique scientist has substituted and tried different amino acid through changing the codon and observe the efficiency, what efficiency they increase in the activity of that particular enzyme. If you see the table and then try to find, if scientist has changed the codon of methionine to a codon of alanine, then they have observed that 53% activity of the subtilisin is going to increase. So what do you mean by activity? Means cleaning action property of the subtilisin. So either they change in the codon of methionine by alanine or cysteine. There was a marginal improve in activity of that subtlysin enzyme. So it was a significant increase in cleaning action property activity. Then if we see and think ideal characteristic feature of subtlysin for detergent industry, then industrialists must think about it should be stable and resistant to high temperature, because generally we use the detergent sometimes at higher temperature for cleaning our clothes, so that the germ even killed by this substance, and we can remove the stain. So there should be resistance power even at 70 degrees Celsius, and the enzyme should work at pH 8 to 11, means alkaline pH, but it should be not affected by any non-ionic molecules like hydrogen peroxide. Generally, hydrogen peroxide affect the cleaning action property of normal type of subtlysin, but if we are using engineered, that is the subtlysin obtained after side directed mutagenesis techniques, then there is no effect of hydrogen peroxide. Third, the subtlysin should not require a certain metallic ion as a cofactor, then it can improve their activity. So these are the some important characteristic feature it should be there in a ideal subtlysin. If you know what is the size of subtlysin protein, then the size of subtlysin protein is nearly 27 kilodaltons, or sometimes it is 27.5 kilodaltons. So generally subtlysin clean the dirt present along with any oily materials. When any oily material along with the dirt come near the active site of the subtlysin, where serine 221, histidine at position 64 and aspartic acid at position 32 present. So by making a catalytic triad, the functional activity is going to increase and clean the dirt that is present in our clothes. But due to presence of methionine, there was drastically decrease in cleaning action property due to oxidation of that methionine. So through side directed mutagenesis only, scientists have improved the cleaning action property. The methionine amino acid replaced by either cysteine or alanine. So this is the most important enzyme in the, you find this is the most important site of the enzyme— just act as a mouth of mice which cut the a stain that is present along with any lipid molecule or fat molecule or oil molecules. So it will degrade that molecules and remove the stain. That's why it is also known as a stain cutter or detergent enzyme. Without the enzyme of like subtilisin in the detergent, it is inert. It has no any importance without the enzyme subtilisin. So if we see the single letter symbol of the amino acid, that is that is the serine 221, and then histidine 64, and methionine, that is the 225. Detergent, we can see there is a mixture of subtilisin in that powder of detergent that have improved variety, improved quality of subtilisin that is produced through side-directed mutagenesis, and we see how the change occurs due to side-directed mutagenesis. The change in the level of the gene from methionine to cysteine or alanine. So this is also alternative pathway to observe the molecular mechanism of this subtilisin, and this is the active site, and this is the methionine, and where the change in the nucleotide level of the codon level. So this is the source of bacteria where we get the subtilisin, and we can also find the characteristic features. At what should be the ideal feature of the subtilisin so that it become an ideal subtilisin for different detergents. So it should be resistant to high temperature and alkaline pH. It should work even the hydrogen peroxide or non-ionic molecules or compound is present, and it should work even in the absence of any metallic ions. So this is the source of the bacteria subtilisin, in which we are going to change the gene at the gene level, in which a codon of methionine is going to change into the codon of cysteine or alanine, due to which there is replacement of amino acid from methionine 222 position to cysteine 222 position or alanine 222 position. So it is the side directed mutagenesis, which is the most powerful technique through which we create the point mutation at oligonucleotide level, and we improve the characteristic feature of protein molecule, that is subtilisin, that is the cleaning action property of subtilisin. Thank you and have a nice day.